Hey guys, Fake Wojo here. I wanted to put up another quick video on something that I talked about in a previous video, and that is the bottoming of the silver price. Two things. One, I'm seeing a lot of gap action here from a tremendous downtrend, and that basically tells me that traders have no idea at this point where it should go. Should it go lower? And when it tries to do that, it pops back up with tremendous volume and huge price action. When it tries to go lower, it kind of stalls out with very little volume compared to the previous day and little price action. Here we're going sideways, of course, but what I wanted to point out in my last video was the Bollinger Band. It started to pull away from the Bollinger Band, and today's price action confirms for me a little bit that we may just have found the bottom in the silver price. What's interesting about this is that we're pulling away from the Bollinger Band. The MACD, which is a moving average convergence divergence, is showing a majorly oversold market. The Williams R, which is a number of different indicators in one indicator, is showing, again, maybe a month of a lot of price action, a lot of volume, and a lot of oversold signals here. And then the volume. We've had a tremendous amount of selling, and then today we had a huge pop in volume compared to the previous day, which shows me that there is kind of a reversal that's happening right here. The other thing I wanted to show you, which was really interesting, is, in my opinion, why we have found the bottom of the price action for silver, is that if you take away what has happened in the past, I don't know, 2-3 years, if you take that area away, we're actually continuing the trend back from 2010, from the end of 2010, the beginning of 2008, and we're starting right where we left off. So with that information, I honestly think, in my opinion, we've found a pretty good bottom here around 1930. We had great after hours volume. We had great action after hours. We were up almost 1.5% after hours. So to all you guys who are looking to buy silver, I'd start collecting right now. This is a really good indicator that we have found a bottom, especially if you look at past history as a price. Feel free to ask me any questions, comments, and that is all. Hope to talk to you guys real soon.